Hello everyone and welcome to Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today's video is part of the Flippin Friday challenge hosted by Jaime from Border Bananas. I'll have her channel link as well as the playlist down in my description box below. This video is also part of my Christmas in July series. The playlist for that will be in the description box as well. Okay, so for my thrift flip, I have got these two vintage cream and sugar bowls, as well as some floral foam that I've cut in half. I am going to hot glue those floral foam pieces into the two containers, and then I will be adding some Spanish moss to cover up the foam. You could use some hot glue to adhere the Spanish moss, but I just tucked it in around the foam. I had these cute little house ornaments and these vintage ornaments and some bottle brush trees as well as some faux greenery. So I'm just going to start to place some trees and the little house into place, and I'm just going to generously apply some hot glue to the bottom of each piece. I want to say a big thank you to those who've been a part of my community for a while. And if you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to become a part of my community by tapping on the subscribe button as well as the bell to keep up to date with everything I have to share. I love to use these little vintage containers for Christmas arrangements. I just think they're so pretty and they have a really whimsical feel to them. So just add as many embellishments as you'd like to create a pretty little wintry scene. I love these little vintage baubles, and I think they add just a nice Christmassy touch to the little arrangements. Don't forget to add a little bit to the back side, as sometimes you will see this from all angles. I absolutely love how this little creamer turned out. So I'm going to be doing the same concept using this pretty little pink vintage house, and I'll be adding all these pieces onto the sugar bowl. You could totally use other types of figurines. I've used little birds before, and depending on the season, you can change up any of the little decorative elements as you so choose. I really love using vintage containers in this way. I just think they are so elegant. I would love to know which one is your favorite. I hope you can join me for day 7, my final day of Christmas in July. I want to say a big thank you to Jaime. I had a lot of fun, as well as my fellow creators, and I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.